This is a tutorial for Dext Science Set 4.2. Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about the digestive system using materials from the compartments B4.3.1.1. Let's take the materials there and get on with our activity. By the time you're done with this activity, you understand the process of the digestive system and how each organ fits together to form the digestive system. So these are the materials that you have inside the compartment. All of these are parts of the digestive system, and we are going to connect them all together to form the digestive system. We're going to use these connectors to help us connect all of them together to form our digestive system. The key to being able to create this digestive system setup is to follow the process of digestion. Now, let's go ahead and do that. What is the first part of the digestive system? So when you are eating, what is the first part of the digestive system that you use? That is the mouth or the buccal cavity. And this is how that is represented in a cross-section of the digestive system. This part here. Okay, let's put the rest this way so that it's clearer. So this is a buccal cavity. And so when you munch your food or chew it, then swallow it, what is the next part? When you swallow, it goes through the esophagus. This is the esophagus. It's a long tube that guides the food down to where? The stomach. And obviously, as we can see, this is our stomach, which then follows. The next part, after digestion takes place in the stomach, the next part, after digestion takes place in the stomach, it goes to the first part of the small intestines, which is the duodenum. We have here the duodenum. It's described as a curved part of the small intestines. Now, once we have the duodenum, we pause there. What happens to the food when it's in the duodenum? Pancreatic juice is secreted. So, as you can see, there's one part here on the duodenum, and so that is where we are going to connect our pancreas. So you can see this is the pancreas, representation of the pancreas. So that one is going to go on top here. Okay, so we're going to connect it over here. Now, this is our gallbladder, which is connected to the liver. And so the liver comes on the top side of this piece here. So we have the mouth, we swallow, comes to the stomach, digestion takes place, it goes through the duodenum, and whilst it's in the duodenum, pancreatic juice is secreted, it continues and comes to the small intestines. Note, not this way, but this way, so that they can nicely fit as a connection to the duodenum. From the small intestines, where does it go to? It goes to the large intestines, which we can then also connect this way. And finally, after the food goes through the large intestines, where water is absorbed, comes out through the anus. So you see, as you follow the process of the digestive system, you are able to neatly assemble all the parts that make up the digestive system. Now that we have everything neatly assembled, we are going to connect them together so that they can become one whole piece. Now, as you assemble them, you might see that some of the items have their holes covered. All you need is a pencil to simply push to create the hole. And then you take that part off. Be careful because it might tear your piece. Then you have a nice hole here like this. You have a nice hole here like this. And of course, we're going to connect that to our esophagus. So we need to take that. So now that we are done removing all of the pieces that were blocking the hole, we are going to do our connections. Now, to do the connections, you're going to need these simple connectors. These are the connectors that will help you do the connection. You have your ball and then you have a socket. And then to connect it, you simply place the socket onto the ball like this. So you can separate them back. So you have the ball and then you have the socket. And so to do the connection, you place the ball through the hole like this, and then you place the next part on top of it so that the ball is coming out this way, and then you put the socket on there to create a simple connection. So we have our mouth connected to our esophagus. So the food is going. The next stop is the stomach. So we're going to find the ball. We're going to place it there. And then we place the stomach on there. We find a socket. And then we're going to put it in place. Nicely done. Okay, we have that. Nicely. The next thing is the duodenum, because from the stomach we go to the duodenum. So we're going to connect the duodenum. So again, you find a ball and you place the duodenum. You find a socket and then we place it on top of the stomach. Nicely done, just like this. Now, like we said, while the food is in the duodenum, pancreatic juice is secreted onto it. So we have our pancreas right here. So you find a ball, place it through like this nicely. We're going to connect our pancreas like that, and then we're going to put our socket on there, neatly done like this. Now you can place this one on top here, or you can bring it behind like this. Okay, so that you have your gallbladder here and then you have your pancreas here. Okay, neatly done like that. Then we're going to connect our liver to the gallbladder like this. So we place another ball here. We place our liver. The liver is a big organ. And we put our socket on there. Again, you can leave it this way, or you can gently tag the liver behind the esophagus like this. So you can clearly see from the esophagus to the stomach to the duodenum. And then pancreatic juice is secreted whilst in the duodenum. And then you have your liver also connected to the gallbladder. Very nice. Now the next thing is our small intestines. So from our duodenum we come to the small intestine. So you put another ball there, connect. We connect our small intestines, and then we put the socket on there. Very simple. Okay, when we are done, from the small intestines comes, of course, large intestines. You let it go, you let it come in front of it like this. Okay, so you put your here and then your socket. Okay, very nicely done. Then you come for the anus, which is the final part, the final stage. You connect. You place your part on it. You find a socket and then you connect. And there you have it. Your digestive system fully assembled into one nice piece. So you have your nice digestive system, creating a model of the digestive system with the help of the DEXT sign set. See you in the next video.